Coffee with Q podcast news reporter Rene Perras explores medical errors and misdiagnosis with renowned lawyer Joe Osborne. Boca Raton, Florida attorney explains medical errors and misdiagnosis on Coffee with Q. The Coffee with Q podcast, hosted by Rene Perras, has released another insightful episode featuring Joe Osborne, a leading civil litigation lawyer with extensive expertise in medical malpractice cases. The episode, titled Understanding Medical Errors and Misdiagnosis, Insights from Joe Osborne, Part 1, sheds light on the alarming prevalence of medical errors, their impact on patients, and the legal avenues available for those affected. Caption: Boca Raton, Florida medical malpractice lawyer Joe Osborne. In this compelling conversation, Joe Osborne delves into real-life cases to illustrate how medical errors, including misdiagnosis and surgical mistakes, can have devastating consequences for patients and their families. With decades of experience advocating for victims, Osborne provides an invaluable perspective on navigating the legal system to seek justice and accountability in medical malpractice cases. Key highlights of the episode: the emotional and financial toll of medical errors on patients and their families. Common types of medical malpractice, including failure to diagnose critical conditions and surgical mishaps. How victims can protect their rights and build a strong legal case with the help of experienced counsel. Joe Osborne emphasizes the importance of understanding patients' rights in the face of medical negligence and offers practical advice for those considering a legal claim. Medical errors can be life-changing, and many victims don't realize they have legal recourse, Osborne said. Our goal in this episode is to educate the public and empower them to seek the justice they deserve. The Coffee with Q podcast continues to serve as a platform for meaningful discussions with experts across various fields, helping listeners gain valuable insights into pressing issues. Listen to the full episode here, Understanding Medical Errors and Misdiagnosis, Insights from Joe Osborne, Part 1. About Coffee with Q. Coffee with Q is a storytelling podcast hosted by Kamar Zaman, focusing on business, law, technology, and personal growth. Featuring interviews with experts and thought leaders, the podcast aims to educate, inspire, and inform its audience. About Joe Osborne, a Boca Raton, Florida medical malpractice lawyer. Joe Osborne. Joe Osborne is a prominent civil litigation lawyer specializing in medical malpractice, wrongful death, and personal injury cases. With a proven track record of advocating for justice, he has helped countless clients navigate complex legal challenges to achieve favorable outcomes. Media contact: Rene Perras, 561-254-6294.